Hello, my name is Martín San Román and welcome to Window to the South. Well, in this occasion, we are at the restaurant El Original Pastel-De-Crepas. It's funny, it has the name of a cake, but actually we are a French restaurant. And since we open for breakfast, I'm gonna do the Benedict Pastel-De-Crepas style, and I hope you enjoy it. First to start, we have some lavender. This is a homemade lavender bread. We use some of the extract of the lavender to make this bread, and this is what we use instead of the muffin, okay? So what I'm gonna do, I have my beautiful plate. We're gonna put the lavender. Then I will put some of the avocado. Let me see, it's better with a spoon. I'm going to put some avocado, fresh avocado. Then we're going to cover it with some smoked salmon. And let me tell you guys that we open at 8 o'clock in the morning till noon. That's where we open for breakfast. And we have a great Sunday brunch. Now we go with the smoked salmon. It's a beautiful, nice smoked salmon. Then I have my poached eggs. You see how beautiful are these eggs? I put it here on the top. We have our homemade Hollandaise sauce, which is very creamy. And we cover the eggs with it. You see, I try to keep the colors of the green, the orange, of the smoked salmon, so you guys can appreciate it, you know, when you receive this to eat. After that, I'm gonna do some of the, it's not really caviar, you know, but we put some for the decoration, so it gives a nice color. And then I'm gonna finish with some beautiful herbs from the Guadalupe Valley, some microgreens. Okay. And just to give it a different presentation, I just put a little drops, some drops of olive oil. And there we go. We have our eggs Benedict